The fresh mozz is the secret to the perfect quesadilla. I mean, hello. I mean, seriously? I love the cheese on the I just love, yeah. There is cheese. This is cheesy. Look at that. Everyone loves a great quesadilla. I don't care if you're 2 or 200. It's, I mean, it's a thing. It's a thing. You got to have great torts, flour for me, cheese. Cheese, please. We're doubling down on cheese. I have a bunch of fresh mozz. I'm throwing that in to make it fucking super cheesy. I got some crema and my salsa tequila from Northgate. Got my pan good and heated. So the secret for your grilled cheese, your quesadillas, all of that is I just do a 50-50 blend, butter and olive oil. Or sad, and then just the sour cream. Mm, the perfect quesadilla.